Namaste, welcome to the online class. Dear students, in the previous classes we have seen map rolling and overlapping groups. What is map rolling? Map rolling means opposite edges squares and corner squares are considered contiguous. And overlapping groups means same one can be encircled more than once. Today we shall see redundant groups. In K-map we are going to study about redundant groups. To understand this concept, we shall solve a problem. Given f of a, b, c, d is equal to m4 plus m5 plus m13 plus m15. Simplify using K-map. Yes, in the problem there are 4 variables. Variables are A, B, C, D. So we shall draw 4 variable K-map. Variables are A, B, C, D. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. Here C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. And in SOP reduction, complemented variable represents 0 and uncomplemented variable represents 1s. So here A is a complemented variable, so it denotes 0. B bar denotes 0. Next 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And numbers of the squares are 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. And in the last row 8, 9, 11, 10. In the third row 12, 13, 15 and 14. So map is filled by placing ones in the squares whose minterm leads to output 1 and remaining squares must be filled with zeros. See here in the 4th square, 5th square, 13th square and 15th square we can see output 1. So fill those squares with 1s and remaining squares with zeros. M4, M5, M13, M15 and fill the remaining squares with zeros. And we know that while forming the groups, first search for octets, then for quads and last for pairs. So here we can form a group using ones in 4th square and 5th square. That group is called pair. We know that pair means group of two ones, two adjacent ones. What is quad? Quad means group of 4 adjacent ones. Octet. Octet means group of 8 adjacent ones. See here we have formed a pair. Next again we can form a pair using ones in the 13th square and 15th square. Now can we form a pair using ones in the 5th square and 13th square? Yes, it is possible, but that pair is called redundant group or redundant pair. So what is redundant pair? We shall see the definition. Redundant group is a group whose all ones are overlapped by other groups. Means ones are overlapped by pairs or quads or octets. Redundant group is a group whose all the ones are overlapped by other groups that may be included in pairs, quads or octets. See in the example here, this pair is having two ones. So group of two adjacent one is called a pair. This pair is called a redundant pair because all the ones in this pair is overlapped by other groups. See, one in the 5th square is overlapped by pair using the one in 4th square and 5th square, and one in the 13th square is overlapped by the pair using one in the 13th square and 15th square. So this pair is called as redundant pair. So we will not include the redundant pair while reducing the expression. So redundant group is a group whose all the ones are overlapped by other groups. They may be overlapped by pairs, quads or octets. So in the example we have formed two groups. First pair is pair 1, that is by using ones in the 4th square and 5th square, m4 plus m5, and corresponding min terms in those squares are a bar b, c bar d bar plus m5, that is a bar b, c bar d, a bar b, c bar d. Now we shall write the common variables in these two min terms. A bar, yes, a bar is the common variable. Write the variable. Next b is also common. C bar common variable. D bar it's not common. So from pair 1 we got the min term a bar b, c bar. From pair 2, that is by using m13 and m15, m13 plus m15, and min terms of 13th square is a b, c bar d, a b, c bar d plus min term of 15th square is a b, c d, a b, c d. Now we shall write the common variables. A, yes, a is a common variable. Write the variable. Next b, yes, b is also common. Next c bar is not common. Then d is the common variable. So from pair 2 we got the min term a, b, d. So final SOP expression is a bar b, C bar plus A bar B C bar is the minterm of pair 1. Next A B D is the minterm of pair 2. A B D. This is the final SOP expression. Here if we form a pair using ones in the 5th square and 13th square, that pair will become redundant pair. That pair is called redundant group. What is redundant group? Redundant group is a group whose all the ones are overlapped by other groups. That may be in pairs, quads or octets. If we form a group here, all the ones of that group is overlapped by other groups. See here, 1 in the 5th square is overlapped by pair 1. Here in the second square, 1 in the 13th square is overlapped by pair 2. So we can't form a pair here. That pair is called redundant pair or redundant group. We will not consider the redundant group while reducing the expression. So final reduced SOP expression is A bar B C bar plus A B D. So I hope you all understood this concept. Redundant group. Redundant group is a group whose all the ones are overlapped by other groups. That may be pair, quad or octet. So in K-map till now we have studied map rolling, overlapping groups and redundant groups. In map rolling, opposite edges squares and corner squares are considered contiguous. Redundant group is a group whose all the ones are overlapped by other groups. Next problem. Given f of A, B, C, D is equal to M2 plus M3 plus M5, M7, M13, M15. Simplify using K-map. There are 4 variables, so we shall draw 4 variable K-map. Variables are A, B, C, D, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, and here C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, next 8, 9, 11, 10. Okay. Second square, third square, fifth square, and seventh square, and 13th square, 15th square are having the output 1. So fill those squares with 1s and remaining squares with zeros. M2, M3, M5, M7, M13, M15. Fill the remaining squares with the zeros. Next step is forming the groups, and we know that while forming the groups, first search for octets, then for quads, and last for pairs. So now there are no 8 adjacent ones, so we can't form the octet. Next search for quads. Yes, there are 4 adjacent ones, so using those ones we can form a quad. Quad 1. Yes, from quad 1, that is by using 5th square M5, 7th square M7, 13th square M13 and 15th square M15. So using ones in these squares we can form a quad. Yes. Now min-term of fifth square is a bar b, c bar d. A bar b, c bar d plus min-term of seventh square a bar b, c d plus min-term of 13th square a b, c bar d, a b, c bar d plus min-term of 15th square a b, c d plus a b, c d. Okay, now we shall write the common variables. A bar not common, next b, yes, b is the common variable, next c bar not common, d is a common variable. So from quad 1 we got the min-term b, d. Next search for pairs in the K-map. Yes, here we got a pair. From pair that is by using third square and second square. m2 plus m3 corresponding min-terms are a bar b bar, min-term of second square is a bar b bar, c d bar. Min-term of third square is a bar b bar, c d. Okay, now common variables. A bar is common, next b bar not common, c, yes, c is a common variable, d bar not common. So from pair we got min-term a, c. Now can we form a pair using ones in third square and seventh square? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible, but we will not include that pair. That pair is called redundant pair, because in the redundant pair, by using ones in the third square and seventh square, all the ones are overlapped by other groups. See here, 1 in the third box is overlapped by pair. 1 in the seventh square is overlapped by quad. So that pair is not included while reduction. So that pair is called redundant pair or redundant group. Redundant group is a group whose all the ones are overlapped by other groups, that may be quad, octet or pair. Here if we form a pair, all the ones of that pair are overlapped by pair and quad. So that pair is not included. So final SOP expression is BD plus AC. From quad we got BD, from pair we got AC. BD plus AC. Okay. I shall solve some problems using the topics map rolling, redundant groups and overlapping groups. Using the K-map, simplify the following expression. And the expression is f of a, b, c, d is equal to m1 plus m2 plus m4 plus m5 plus m9 plus m11 plus m12 plus m13. m1, 2, 4, 5, 9, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 4 variables are there, so there would be 16 squares in the K-map. Variables are A, B, C, D. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. Here C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. And corresponding binary values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And numbers of the squares are 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. In the last row 8, 9, 11, 10. In the third row 12, 13, 15, 14. First, second, fourth, fifth, ninth, 11th, 12th and 13th squares are having the output 1. So fill those squares with 1s and remaining squares with the zeros. M1, M2, M4, M5, M9, M11, M9, M11, M12, M13, M12, M13. Okay. Yes, fill the remaining squares with the zeros. Yes. Next step is forming the groups. We know that while forming the groups, first search for octets, then for quads and last for pairs. So there are no 8 adjacent ones, then search for quads. Yes, there are 4 adjacent ones. Here you can see 4 adjacent ones, means we got a quad. Yes, from quad 1, that is by using M1, M5, M13 and M9. M1, M5, M13 plus M9. And corresponding minterms are A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar, C bar, D plus M5, A bar, B, C bar, D, A bar, B, C bar, D plus M13, AB, C bar, D plus M9, AB bar, AB bar, C bar, D. AB bar, C bar, D. Yes. Next we shall write the common variables. A bar not common. Next B bar not common. Next C bar. Yes, C bar is the common variable. Then D. Yes, D is the common variable. So from quad 1 we got the minterm C bar D. Yes. Next we can form another quad using ones in the 4th box, 5th box, 12th box and 13th box. Here we got another quad from quad 2 that is by using ones in the 4th square M4, M5 plus M12 plus M13, M12 plus M13. Now we shall write the corresponding minterms. M4 A bar B, A bar B, C bar D bar, C bar D bar plus M5 A bar B C bar D, A bar B C bar D plus M12 A B C bar D bar, A B C bar D bar plus M13 A B C bar D, A B C bar D. Now common variables, A is not common, B, yes, B is a common variable, C bar, yes, C bar is also common. Next D bar is not common. So from quad 2 we got the min term B C bar. Next, one in the second box is called single term. See here, 1, this one is not included in the pair or in quads. So write the single term is A bar B C D bar, A bar B bar, A bar B bar, C D bar, C D bar. Yes, then here we can form a pair using ones in the 9th square and 11th square. Yes, here we can form a pair. From pair, that is by using the 9th square and 11th square, M9 plus M11, and corresponding min terms are M9 A B bar C bar D, A B bar C bar D plus A B bar C D, A B bar C D. Now common variables in these two min terms are A, yes, A is common, next B bar common, next C bar not common, D, yes, D is a common min term. Yes, from quad 1 we got the min term C bar D. From quad 2 we got the min term B C bar, and we have written the single term A bar B bar C D bar, and from pair we got the min term A B D. Now add all the min terms to get the SOP expression. Final SOP expression is C bar D plus BC bar plus A bar B bar C D bar plus ABD. So this is the final reduced SOP expression. So here quad 2 is a overlapped group. What is overlapping group? In overlapping group, same one can be encircled more than once. Here 1 is included in the quad 1 as well as in quad 2. 1 in the 13th square is included in the quad 1 as well as quad 2. So this is called overlapped groups. These two quads are called overlapped groups. And even in the pair, so 1 in the 9th square is included in the quad as well as in the pair. So quad 1 and pair are called overlapped groups. So we have seen that topic in the previous classes. Next problem. Given the function f of wx, y, z is equal to sigma of 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Reduce it by using K-map. Zero, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These 4 variables are there. So there would be 16 squares in the K-map. Square numbers are 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. Variables are w, x, y, z. The first row w bar, x bar, w bar, x, w, x, w, x bar. Y bar, z bar, y bar, z, y, z, y, z bar. And corresponding binary values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0th, 4th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th squares are having the output 1. Fill those squares with 1s and remaining squares with zeros. 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes. Fill the remaining squares with the zeros. Yes, next step is forming the groups. First search for octets. There are no octets. Then search for quads. Yes, here you can form 3 quads. Quad 1, quad 2, quad 3. See, first quad is formed by using the ones in 0th, 4th, 12th and 8th square, and second quad is formed by using the squares 8, 9, 11, 10, and third quad is formed by using the ones in 12th, 13th, 8th and 9th square. Now these quads are called overlapped groups. Overlapped group means same ones can be encircled more than once. See, from quad 1, that is by using 0th, 4th, 12th, 8th, M0, M4, M12 plus M8. Minterms are W bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar plus W bar, X, Y bar, Z bar plus M12, WX, Y bar, Z bar plus M8, WX bar, Y bar, Z bar, Y bar, Z bar. Now we shall write the common variables. W bar is not common. Next X bar not common. Y bar, yes, Y bar is a common variable. Next Z bar is also common. So from quad 1 we got the minterm Y bar, Z bar. From quad 2, that is by using M8, M9, M11 plus M10, and corresponding minterms are W x bar, y bar, z bar, W x bar, y bar, z, M11 W x bar, y z, plus M10 W x bar, y z bar. Common variables, W is a common variable, x bar common variable, y bar not common, z bar is also not common. So from quad 2 we got W x bar. Next from quad 3, from the K map we got 3 quads. From quad 3, that is by using M12, M13, M12, M13, M8, M9. Corresponding minterms are Wx, y bar, z bar, Wx, y bar, z, Wx bar, y bar, z bar, plus Wx bar, y bar, z. Next, common variables, W, yes, W is common. Next, X, not common, y bar is common. Next, Z bar is not common. So, from quad 3, we got W, y bar. Now, to get the final reduced SOP expression, we have to add all the minterms. So, from quad 1, we got y bar, z bar. From quad 2, we got W x bar. From quad 3 we got W y bar. Now add all those minterms. Y bar z bar plus W x bar plus W y bar. So this is the final reduced SOP expression. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.